Okay, I'm going to dedicate this song to my mother and my sister. I hope that you like it. For you, there'll be no more crying. For you, the sun will be shining, and I feel that when I'm with you, it's alright. I know it's right. And the songbirds keep singing like they know the score. 'Cause I love you, I love you, I love you like never before. I wish you all the love in the world, but most of all, I wish it for myself. And the songbirds keep singing like they know the score. And I love you, I love you, I love you like never before. Like never before. Like never before. Like never before. Yeah. Like never before. I hope that you believe that, because I do, and I'm kind of messed up the song a little bit. Sorry about that. Toodles.